Hello everyone, myself Kavita. Today I am here to give a small introduction on our esteemed brand which is Samvad. And Samvad, as the tagline itself says, and it is inspired conversation. And being a sales manager for South Indian states like Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra, and Tamil Nadu, it's been an inspiring journey for me personally in a very short span of time after taking up Samvad as one of the brand for my sales professional journey. So Samvad, when I took up from the month Feb 2020, so to give a small introduction, I thought selling Samvad in MLM network would be difficult because I was being told that it is like any other brand like Tea Express and any other brand which belongs to Tea Express, but actually that is not the one. I'm being very honest and also giving you my the face-to-face direct feedback what I get from the people whom I talk, at least close to 40 to 50 calls I have daily, not only with the members, the new people who come in, the online request what we get, and the people who come up to us daily, like at least 10 to 15 numbers I would be having every day, new conversation which actually tells me like Samvad is reaching people in a very fastest way, and people are accepting it very in a not only as a brand or not only as a sales, but actually people are liking the quality what it has and why the Samvad was created. I think it is remarkably making the mark in the market. So when I started my journey in the month Feb, so a small introduction was given, like Samvad was is a brand which is like we are selling in pan India through our chaypreneurs who are members, and not through any retail or not through any other channel partners. That is right. So Samvad, as our vision is only giving the opportunities for better living and thriving the community for better opportunities, and the main mission is to give a best start to your day with the best flavor of the tea and best quality of one more tea brand is the green tea, which is majorly like today in our busy life, everybody wants to be fit and everybody wants to consume organic food, wherein we have less time in our busy schedule, but we should actually maintain our health also. Being International Yoga Day, everything cannot be done in yoga. Food plays a major role to keep up your health. Coming back to Samvad, so when Kaushal started Samvad into MLM market, so it was started in one city with limited number of members joining, but within a short span of time we have members close to 6,000 pan India, and every day I think more than in tens, like in hundreds also someday we make members, new members are coming into our network, coming into our Samvad family. And next, mainly I would like to talk about Samvad, why it is so much appreciated is, one is the price, which is like close to 25 to 30%. It is lesser than the price what we have in market compared to other brands. And next is the consumption, which is like 30% of usage would be less compared to other brands. So for example, for making 5 people tea, if you would need 2 tablespoons of chai ki patti, our tea would be like 1.5 teaspoon would be enough. So that is the difference what we talk about, the major selling points for us. And obviously the quality and the packing, the beautiful color which has been chosen for the package and everything, which is actually like you have one look and people want to at least have a second look what it is, and seeing the packet only people get attracted. The quality and the taste and the price too. So all the three are great consideration. And next thing is, today I'll be talking about all the major types what we have. So for example, in chai, what it is, milk tea what we call, with milk and sugar, we have 4 brands, that is Kadak, Masala, Adrak and Ilaichi. And coming to green tea, we have 6 flavors, which is basically tulsi green, rose tea, chamomile, organic, dandelion, hibiscus, and we have detox tea also. So these are major green teas what we have. Other than this, we have wellness teas of 3 different varieties. One is sugar control, second is weight loss, and third is digestion. And one more brand which is very much recently introduced green tea is immunity booster. Seeing the current scenario wherein internal immunity is plays a vital role for anybody's health, immunity booster was launched in the month of Feb 2020, and the last one and the most liked one of the major green teas are herbal infusion tea, which is blue pea tea. So and why green tea is much more is, I would like to tell you, in Sambad, compared to other brands, it is 0% of bitterness we have, and there is 5 more times of antioxidants, and completely it is made out of natural ingredients, and the variety of flavors what we have, it has been liked from each and every green tea lover, and irrespective of their ages too. Like every age, people would like to have their own favorite flavors, which we have in, as I said earlier, 6 flavors: chamomile, dandelion, hibiscus, tulsi, rose tea, detox kava, and organic. This particular green tea I like personally. The taste I like very much, and it is most aromatic kind of fragrance it has, and of course it is made out of one of the flower, and this flower is actually, I think, any of your grandmother or mother, if you ask, even the leaves has been used, even the flower petal has been used for various other garke nuske, what we tell, for the hair, for the skin, for digestion, for major other things. So the tea name is hibiscus green tea. So this is very much popular blend of or as I said, aromatic, very colorful, very flavorsome, and it is just like it will keep you very much right in shape.